Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and I'm bringing to you a haul, and it's a mixed bag this time. These products have been out. These products are new to me and I wanted to test them out. And so when I bought products, I got some products free, which I thought was absolutely amazing because that's what you want when you buy makeup. I was like, well, why not? Let's just bang some more makeup in my little drawers. Basically, this is my haul, and I'm going to start off with what I showed you in the beginning, which was the Revolution Pretty Incredible palette. It is this one, and it's okay. I'll probably do a look with it, but I don't know what look. But there's some beautiful colours in here. So yes, you'll be seeing all of this in an up and coming video anyway. And I'm going to try and do it in the order that I brought things, because I actually got this free. They were having an offer on, and I've got the Revolution Fast Base Concealer, and this is what it looks like, and it comes in a sponge and it's quite a nice colour. But I will be testing these out in a video for you guys. And then I also got this one, which is a matte base concealer. This is what it's like, but it's one of them big. And this one is, so they are pretty close in colour, but obviously I don't know what they're like because I've not used them. And then I also got the Revolution matte base powder, and that was the 12, you had to spend £12 to get the palette. But I didn't just get them three, I also got these. Now I know these have been out a while, so I got the jelly highlighter in Prestige, which is the gold one. I will show one of them. I'm not doing them all. Then I got the one in Dazzle, which is the silver one. And then I got the Monumental, which is the gold. Oh, it's literally like jelly on a plate. That's a little bit too much, but okay. It's a stunning highlighter, it really is, and you can blend it in more than that. I'm just blending it in so that you can see. I also got, this is from Wilko's, I wanted a big powder brush like this one, and this is the closest I've found so far. So this is what it looks like, guys. It was £4 or £5 I think, and it is a nice powder brush. So this is my new powder brush. Wilko's do these really nice brushes if you're struggling like money wise. So then the next thing that I got is I did get the, this was another deal that they had on. You spent £12 and you got another free item from Revolution. So I was like, I like my freebies. I've been into the glowy illuminating misters, so I got the Revolution one. This will be given a go because I've got the matte one, but I haven't tried this, so that will be given a try. But then I also got a new lipstick, and it's in this stunning brown shade, which is nice because you can see it, and the package is gorgeous on it. It's really nice. Again, you'll be seeing this in an up and coming video. And the same as with this. This is a nice red glitter base. So I don't think it's actually eye safe, but that's where we're going. So this is, yeah, Just a Fantasy glitter paste. I was like, I like that colour, that's really pretty. I got that. And then as a freebie, which I was really shocked about, I got the Revolution Pro HD Amplified Glow Getter highlighter palette. And this was free, guys. This is spending £12. This is £10 on its own. Bargain. I'm going to tell you what I got in my glossy box, which I actually got some of these Hair Flick Hair Vitamin vegan ones. I've been taking them, but basically they've done it where you have to take 2. There's like 1 day left, so not gonna know. The next thing that I got was a pawpaw multi-purpose smooth balm with natural pawpaw for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing with a hint of a tint. So I got that as well. Then I got the orange and sauce shower gel. Smells nice. We also got a Jean Arthur's like summer mist. It's not my cup of tea, guys. It's not. I don't like it. We also got the pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask, which looks like this. And then also we got a mask, but it wasn't this mask. It was a different mask, but I've sent it to my daughter. I haven't got it. I've also got these samples, and this is Your Hair Assistance Convinced Prep Rich Balm Conditioner for thick and treated hair. I'll probably be putting that in with my daughter as well, because I didn't realise that was there. And then I've got the No. 5 Chanel perfume. I might as well use now, haven't I? And see what it smells like. Not bad, would I buy it? Probably not. Done. I can go in and empty it now. Then I also picked up, I went onto Colourpop. I was not going to, and I wanted to try the concealer stick. I mean the concealer stick and the foundation. On Colourpop you can go and they've got a chart, so you can put in if you've got a favourite foundation and it's on there. I put in MAC because I know I'm an NC20, and that's what I did. And in the Colourpop No Filter foundation I was light 70, and in the No Filter 6 I'm fair 07 neutral, and that is just from putting in MAC 20, basically. NC20 is what I am. I also got the matte blur primer, and they came as a set matte blur face setting spray. This was part, I don't like the Colourpop's concealer, but my daughter does, so. But this is in Fair 04, so this should match both of the foundations perfect. But I won't be using it, just saying. Then I've got I ordered as well the No Filter setting powder in translucent, and I also ordered a Super Shop Cheek Drop of a Hat, and that is a stunning colour, it really is. So cannot wait. And then I also got one of the Kathleen Lights lipsticks, and it's Scorpion Moon. It's such a nice colour. And it's really hard to tell when you're ordering on websites. Then I've also been and got the Sexy Mother Pucker lip lacquer. Oh, it's a bit gunky. Very similar colour though. I also went and got the Thick and Fast High Definitional Collagen Coat Mascara. I just thought I'd give it a try. I'm not opening it because you know what I'm like. And I also got the last Essence Chrome that I've wanted and could never find, but now I found it. And this is the one in, this is the 03 Platinum Nights. And it's like a bluey colour, bluey purple. Oh, it's falling out. Let me shut it. So that's it shaded out. You can obviously build it up. You get a better intensity on top of something. And then the last thing that I got was the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage in the correct shade that I am. Or not, should I say, because I went for light beige, you know, 10, which was the lightest one, and I'm hoping I can mix the two because I did really like this. Oh, I also got a Ritual Energizing Face Balm. Give that a go. So guys, that's the end of my haul. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, would love you to subscribe to my channel, tap the bell and it'll let you know when I bring another video out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, bye.